Nenjil Kudiyirukkum Nanba Nanbagale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Undefined. Today is actually, sorry, I don't know the date for today. I think it's 6th or 7th. Yeah, today is 7th of July. And actually, it's been about 4 months since my real JEE preparation started. I started my JEE preparation during 1st March, that is after my social studies Hindi exam, I believe. So it's officially almost 4 weeks done. Now we'll see, 4 months done. Now we'll see what is my state currently, and then I can show you my performance and a lot of mock test marks. No, mock test marks and performance you can see on the main channel. I'll link it down below. I need to take a video on that. I need to put a video of my performance till now, which will come most likely on the next Monday. I've been thinking about making that video for a long time. I need to at least make it on next week. So the thing is, like I have been studying 24/7 for JEE for the past month. Like when the official academic year started, that from June, maybe not really June, maybe from the last week of May. So it's been actually 3 to 4 weeks since I had a rest day, because I've been always studying on this Sunday as well. So today I thought I'll just take a break, but even though I won't sit quietly. So what I am doing currently is I thought, as today's a rest day, I'll take the video. Then I had to go for a haircut and all. Then maybe afternoon we'll watch some lectures. So we'll move on to our this week's analysis and everything. So this is my study time for this week. So there is a total study time of almost 42 hours, and this has been my highest, and this is my highest study time in this month, that is 9 hours and 40 minutes. But I would say my highest study time would be about 10 hours 45 minutes or something like that. It was in the vacation time, but yeah, anyway, this is good. As you can see, now I have been studying a lot. So on every Wednesday you will see a lot of study time. It's because on Wednesday I don't have the Akash coaching. So on these like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, I went to Akash coaching, that is from almost 3 to 8, but I don't count that time in this. I only count my self-study time plus the PW lectures time, etc. And now I have started writing this goals thing into a diary, because it's easier to write in a diary than writing in a board. And thanks to my sister for writing this really neatly this for the previous weeks. Now this week, so what I want to show you guys is the things that I just stuck it on the wall. Now this is my Akash test planner and AATS planner. So my main focus would be to finish, like if AATS is coming, I would want to finish that syllabus by that time. And then this is the Arjuna JEE planner, and then this is a thing that I want to show you guys. So this is like basically everything that I have to do in a subject. So for physics, I had to do the Akash module, step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 3 I would consider it really last, because it says it's advanced, but it's not really advanced. Then I had to do HC Verma, then FIITJEE module, FIITJEE, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced PYQ. Now the thing is, FIITJEE JEE Mains PYQ is like 2008 to 2019, so it's really old, so it's more tougher. And JEE Advanced also it's like 2018 to 2020. So what I'm thinking is I'll buy a PYQ book as well, which contains the latest PYQs, because that's more important. And I also said on the previous video that I shifted to Rajwan sir, but I still refer to Salim sir's some extra contents, like I do the KPP still. And I also put a column for SKC. I'm thinking whether to buy it or not, we'll see. And also I have put a column for short notes, that is if I have made short notes or not. So now for the chapters till now, I have finished most of everything. I haven't bought SKC and PW module, PW PYQ book till now. Now I need to finish this FIITJEE module for kinematics, and then I think it would be good. Mathematical tools, although HC Verma, I don't know if there is anything to do, and vectors, I don't think there is anything to do in HC Verma. We'll see that. Then we come to chemistry. For chemistry also same. Akash, step 1, step 2, step 3, then FIITJEE module, FIITJEE PYQs, and then short notes. And I have also put a table here for Ohm's book, and then again PW module. Now because why I felt the need for Ohm's book for inorganic, because yeah, I'll get to inorganic later. Now max, same Akash, step 1, step 2, step 3, then FIITJEE module, FIITJEE PYQ book, PW PYQ, DB, which is given by Sachin sir, and No Mercy sheet, which is also given by Sachin sir, and the short notes. Now like in this week I was able to cover a lot of this stuff. I think in this week alone I might have did around 400, 300, or at minimum 250 questions for this week. I think more than 250, 300, yeah, definitely. And then these were my goals for this week. Now one thing that I was not able to complete is trigonometric functions, step 1 and step 2, and one NIS lecture. And if you don't know, I am studying in NIS board, so I can sit at my home for the whole day. Now this is week 18, and then I had some revision goals. This actually I forgot to mark it here. Now periodic table, we'll get to that, so that's the thing. Then this is my monthly goals that I have to do. So now, as you know, I am currently studying from Regin sir, so I actually take a bit of extra lectures as well, so I can get ahead in the syllabus. So if I have any doubt, I can cover that lecture from Salim sir as well. Now we'll get to the problems with my JEE preparation, like not JEE preparation, yeah. Currently the problem is with max trigonometric function. It's getting really hard for me. So like questions, I'm not getting how to solve it. So now what I'm doing is I'm solving the class illustrations again and again. Then I thought I'll move on to the modules. Okay, that's the thing. Then 1 minute, let me just take my inorganic notebook and come. Now this is my inorganic notebook. The problem with me is in my periodic table chapter notes, only, I don't know why, but only about 20 to 30 pages notes have been made. So I'm seriously worried if I have missed out on something. And actually the periodic table chapter is really easy, according to my opinion. The only thing is you had to remember this thing. Actually it was really hard for me. I have tried studying periodic table in 9th and 10th, but I never tried studying from Pandey sir. Honestly speaking, I think he would be the best teacher for inorganic if it is really hard for you. See, on from whom I have studied, he's the best. There is SKM sir as well, but I don't think any of his lectures are really available on the net. But anyway, you can see that. And then there is a trigonometric functions formula sheet right here. Now the thing is, while solving the class illustrations, I looked at this one and solved, and now it's kind of like almost memorized for me. We'll see to that. And then so that's about my periodic table. So a periodic table chapter. So now what I'm doing is I'm thinking about buying the Ohm's book, because then I'll have a theory book as well, because I would really love that. So you guys can suggest me if I have to buy Ohm's book or NCRT. So that's for periodic table. Rest, if periodic table, the thing is I memorized S block and P block. I need to memorize D block this much, and then F block as well. Then periodic table would be almost done. So that I would do in this week, because in this week's test we have periodic table coming. Yeah, we have periodic table. So then if we come to the next chapter in inorganic chemistry, that is chemical bonding. Chemical bonding, until now I have felt it really easy, because I have heard about people saying that it's really tough, but until now it's easy for me, and I'm really glad for that. Okay, so that's about the inorganic chemistry and maths. Now I today, as I told you guys, today is my leave day, so I have to set the targets for this week. And let me also Yeah, that's not enough. That's I'll tell in another video. Yeah, that's it. You guys can also share your progress. I don't have a lot to say for this week, but it's been amazing. Preparing for JEE, it's a one-time experience, to be frank. The thing is, I have not done whole DPPs of trigonometric functions because I am not able to do it. So 4 DPPs have been left out. Yeah, that's it. Physics, it's really easy for me now, but motion in a plane, some advanced JEE advanced PVQs I am not able to do, but I know that eventually I will be able to do. And one thing that I really want to show you guys is yeah, so this is my FIITJEE advanced book. So it has a lot of subjective advanced questions. It's a gem for JEE preparation. Like atomic structure, I felt it really easy. Even a lot of advanced PYQs I felt easy, but in this there are a lot of subjective questions, like numerical and subjective questions, which I find it hard. So this is my FIITJEE book, if you guys don't know. And yeah, that's it. So I'll be buying the PWPYQ book for sure. Then you guys can suggest me if I have to buy SKC or not, and also suggest me whether I have to buy Om Pandey sir's book or NCRT. So yeah, that's it for this video. Any other Rajvan sir fans can also comment down below. Salim sir Kaddu gang also can comment below. It's not like I hate Salim sir or anything like that. The thing is, now I actually, my main lectures and DPPs are from Rajvan sir's batch, but I'm doing KPP and the extra practice sessions and all from Salim sir. But it's not like I'm putting my legs on both the batches. So yeah, that's it. I am Krishna and signing out. Bye.